Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva and I'm doing lifestyle and motherhood videos. This is vlogtober. I don't even know which day is it. I already lost track. Anyway, today I have to do groceries because my fridge is absolutely empty and the weather already got so nasty and so cold that I think I would like to make something warm. So you are going to meal planning with me right now for the next few days. I wouldn't say for the whole week, but next few days. And because I have such an empty fridge, I can go wild and choose whatever I want. So it's my daughter in the background. She's only 2.5, so she is going to be very loud and talk a lot. That's what she does. So what I do when I start planning, I am going to an app called Flip. Check if you have that app because it's really cool, and all the flyers of the stores in my area are right over here. So yeah, you don't need papers anymore. Like basically everything is online. So I just type the store I want and it pull up the flower of the week. Flyer, not flower, flyer. And yeah, my husband already been here and he circle all the items he wants. But you can do it another way as well. You can just go to the app and write, for example, diapers, if you need diapers, and it finds you all the deals already available for diapers. See? Just like that. All the diapers in the stores, so you can just check which option is the easiest for you. Oh, there's actually pseudo cream diaper rash on special. I kind of need it. Super peppers, yeah. I don't need diapers right now, and we usually shop at Costco. It's definitely the cheapest. But I see that Walmart has a really good price, $19. So you just can go in and it just puts you to the flower of the store itself. Really cool. So let's start because time is money. So what I like to usually do first is inspiration. So I just go on my phone and Google for example vegan chili. And yeah, and I'm just browsing for like whatever picture I like or like for the ingredients I have in the fridge. I am not going to look for chili because I already know what I need and what kind of chili I like. But if I have like, let's say, leftover potatoes and they are getting bad and I would like to start cooking with them, I will just write potato recipe with chickpeas, for example, at vegan at the end, and it's gonna find lots of interesting recipes. And then I have this calendar and I am just going to write it down what I have and what I need. I don't always necessarily do this in the book. I'm mostly planning in my head, but if you are this kind of person who likes to have everything on the paper, that's definitely the way to go. So what I am also using is Google shopping list. You can share with your family members and your like household, and the most popular items you always do are over here, but you can just add, it's just add item, and let's say it's apple, and it automatically added the apple over here. Yeah, let me know in the comment down below if you have ever tried Google shopping list. If you have any of the speakers, you can just say, "Hey Google, add apples to my shopping list." And there's also
Alright,
like,
I added apples.
see, it's just on my shopping list. Okay Google, add peanut butter to my shopping list.
Sure, peanut butter on your list called my shopping list.
See,
Anything
very,
else?
very convenient.
Got it. Very convenient. What else?
What is very convenient? Something added to my list like that. Okay. So here is what I came up with. For lunch we're gonna have hot dogs and for dinner chili. Then on Saturday for lunch it's gonna be leftovers and dinner potatoes, chicken or chickpeas, salad and corn. Here lunch is gonna be grandma, dinner gonna be tacos. Lunch hot dogs again because there are gonna be 2 left. And dinner stir fry with tofu probably. So now it's time to go and shopping. It's only for 4 days because I know myself and I know my family. We will probably wanted to switch things around and maybe get some takeout or just feel like eating something completely else I put over here. So here are the groceries according to my list I made. Over there as well. For my girls, this sausages we're gonna eat right now for lunch. It's beyond sausage, so it is meat free. Corn, pasta sauce for my chili, eggs because we have to use the bananas, frozen garlic bread, cheese for my sandwiches, peanut butter, tortillas for tacos, nacho chips, green beans, some popcorn, chickpeas, red beans or kidney beans, sour cream, blueberries, asparagus, sweet potato, tomato, potato, cucumber, 3 apples, a very small broccoli because we don't eat as much, red onion, yogurts, chicken, kale, salad, lettuce and green pepper. Over here is raisin bread, tofu, sweets for my girls, baby shampoo, muffin, carrots, chili seasoning mix, teriyaki stir fry, and poutine gravy. All for it $140. Like you can see, it's pretty good and pretty empty. So the groceries were much needed. It is my favorite sauce, chipotle mayo. It's perfect for any kind of burgers or hot dogs. My another favorite, it's this sweet heat mustard. It's really tasty. And of course mayo. Over here we have only one dressing, which is this Italian. and a barbecue. Over here is what is this called? Oh my god, I'm missing a word. Anyway, I have to quickly put everything away because it's getting warm.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. Oh, what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. I don't hear from you like I used to. I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to.
So my younger daughter is sleeping and the older one is with her dad outside, so I have like a second to touch base it and update you what changed since yesterday, and have like a little bit of chit chat before I say my goodbyes to you. So like I started the vlogtober, I taught you 3 things. I am going to work out, I am going to drink a gallon of water every day, and I am not going to eat sweets. Guess what happened on day 3rd? Well, you got it. I didn't do any of it. Like you could see in my groceries, I bought the chocolates and sweets, and it only proves how hard it is to break your habits and change yourself. And I don't know, it's not even that like I don't want to continue in it, because I obviously do. The first day when I worked out, I felt really good, like I was working out on my butt and everything was like so nicely sore the next day. That's how you know the things works. And I had in my head that I am going to add some weights after like a week or 2, and everything is going to be amazing, but I just don't know. Maybe I should just like get tested for like the minerals and vitamins, because I am feeling like so low or energy all the time. All I do is like drink coffee. But that's It's not how it's supposed to be. So that's it. That's what it is for now. And yeah, I feel really like low about that. Plus, like the weather outside, it's not very nice. I really wanted to do pictures, like fall pictures. Tomorrow is my Saturday, so maybe tomorrow I will go and do some photo shoot because I did picture a year ago. And you know, I just love pictures. It's my favorite thing to do. I love to print them after, so I have like them in my hand. But yeah, I think this is it for now. I honestly don't know what else to tell you for today. Like daily vlogging, it's definitely difficult when your life is just steady and you do every day the same thing. And I just don't want to be boring for you, like at all. Like I want you to enjoy like every single minute of the video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today. Give me a thumbs like and press the click the subscribe button down below with the notification bell on, so you will know when I upload a new video. And I really hope I will see you tomorrow with my next one. Bye.